Alright, today on this episode we're going to see if a painting decorator can actually plaster. Happy days. So, got all my stuff ready, got my mixer, my water, I've got some board finish, and these are the two walls, I don't know if you can get any better than that we're going to be attacking. I've already put the scrim cloth up, so I'm all singing, well dancing there. So, with that said, let's get cracked on. So first thing I'm going to do is start mixing up. I'm going to put this in my dirty water bucket, make sure it's all wet before I start mixing. Then I'm going to start pouring the plastering. So I'm going to get cracked on with that now. Right, now mixed all my gear up, which you've just seen. So now all I'm doing, just wetting my handboard down, give it a good wet with some water, ready, and then all I do then, once you've done that, is you just get rid of it like so. Now, little tip for you is that obviously you plaster like that, go around everywhere, okay, like so, and then what you do is you get rid of all that there, and then watch this, okay, that there, you get a wiggle, create suction, like so. Okay, so then what you do is you basically just turn it like that, and you've got it ready. And all I do then is just go around all my angle beads, sorry. Go around all my angle beads, make sure you keep them clean as you go along. And then this just packs everything out. That's what I like to do. Okay, just like so. So I'll get cracked on with that now. So now what you want to be doing is you want to be plotting the plaster on after you've done that. So I'll just get, let's put about 2 on. That does me. And what we do is you want to start, if you're right-handed you start from this side, left to right. If you're left-handed you go from right to left. So let's get cracked on. So I'll just basically start like this. And all I like to do, go across here, and then just go like that, like so. Okay, pop another bit on, go like that, like so. Okay, let's go like that, like so. And then all you do is put on, grab a bit and go into your angle and try and keep everything neat, stopping it from obviously getting on the top and going all over the place. Pop some more on, like so, and then all you're doing is just colouring everything in nicely. Okay. And then just take a bit here and start filling everything in until everything's covered Now we're sorted. Basically everything's on. It's basically now just going over with this. And all you do is you go up. We're flattening everything in now. So we'll go up like so. Okay. And while flattening in, you don't need no water. And you go down like so. And then go down here. Okay. Down there. Bit down there. Then, once you've got all the way across like that, okay, you start this side, like so, and you just go, okay, down, all the way across here. And then go across like that. And that basically has flattened everything out. So all you do now is once you've got that done, you're waiting basically until obviously it starts to go off, which I'll show you that bit when it's ready. Okay, happy days. So when you touch it, it doesn't stick to your hands. Okay, and it leaves an impression like that. You are now ready for your second coat. So with that said, let's get on with the second coat. So now I'm just going around finishing flattening everything in with my speed skim, and then once I've done that, I'm going over with the trowel again just to get rid of any lines or anything that's major, finishing the flattening in. Now I'm going around cleaning up, ready for the next bit. Happy days. Now we've cleaned all our tools and everything, and I've gone around and cleaned my bucket. Now what you want to do now is just make sure you clean all this off here. Make sure you get all this off. Okay, around there like that. Make sure all these are nice and clean. Okay, get it off. And then that sharpens everything. And what you'll do in a minute is, which I'll show you when I'm flattening everything in, is that you'll go over and water all these to get everything off. So it'll be all spot on. So we got rid of that. Put it in your bag, which you can't see, but yeah, get rid of all the rubbish. So that's in my bag now. So all that's perfect. Got rid of all that there. In here as well. Right, so now you're ready, obviously, to start going over, and this is what you need. You need your flat brush, flattening in brush, and all you do is you're going to lubricate the plaster, okay? And you want clean water, do not be using your dirty water. And all you're doing is going around like this. Got some clean water here in this tub, and all you're doing is just going over it ever so slightly with a bit of water, okay? And just going over it nicely, getting rid of everything. And all I'm doing is going like this over everywhere. Give it a good wet, starting to flatten everything up even more now. You just keep going around like this until everything you've got over everywhere. So a few little things I want to go on about before we get on. Here I've left this right to the last dying second, okay? And I've got a little brush which I'll show you in a minute as I'm going on. And basically now it's gone for the second wet trowel, and I'm going on to my refiner now, stainless steel refiner. And basically this is a flexi trowel. Do not be starting with this, you've got to start with a hard trowel. You use this right last orders on your final wet trowel and whatnot, because this now is as flat as it's going to go, and this will take everything out and it'll act like it's a broken trowel. And also if you don't, you'll go with the contour of the wall, and that's not what you want to do. You're trying to flatten it so the hard steel or carbon steel will get it all flat. Then just go over this last orders when you're final wet and then polish up with it. Happy days. So I'm going to get cracked on with that now and we'll get this finished off. And to finish off that wet angle, it's this here. So a little bit of water on it and then just go down like so. And that, friends, that, ladies and gentlemen, finishes off the whole thing. So all I do now is just go in like that, go like that as well, all the way up, and just filling it all in nicely. And then going down there like that, like so, getting in that angle, getting rid of it all. Happy days. Right, so there we go, finished product, all done now, all sorted, all looking nice and sharp and all flat and all dried out, ready for painting. So there we go, a paint decorator can plaster after all. Anyway, I just want to turn around and say, if you can find it in your heart to subscribe, all that good stuff, the thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.